I'm Lorenzo Gaglio from Woodhaven, Michigan. This is my Altair student contest submission for September.
Alright, now that we are in Inspire, I could talk about what this piece actually is. I wanted to make some legs for my laser engraver so I could increase the volume that I could engrave. I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to learn about Inspire and what it has to offer, and of course I was able to use less material to 3D print this and use. So when I first went into Inventor, I isolated the parts that I wanted to keep, and then everything else I made a design space so I can optimize the part. I then added some loads. The main load is the weight of the actual engraver, and then I put much smaller loads in the X and Z axis to simulate the jerking and vibrating of the laser engraver. And then in the bottom here, I made these supports, and then these holes are going to make it so I could fasten the leg to a piece of wood. So what I did was I analyzed the part initially, and I looked at what Inspire shows how the forces are going to act onto this part. We could see what's going to happen here. Obviously the weight is going to overpower most of it. Then I went to shape controls and picked the planes that I wanted the optimized feature to make symmetrical so the part can look nice. Then when we go to optimize, I wanted to maximize stiffness but also decrease the amount of material I'm going to need to make this, just because I wanted to see what Inspire has to offer, and I was interested. So then when we run it, and wait. So this is what the optimized feature gave us. As you can see, there's a lot of material that was ripped out of here that was seen as unneeded, and what I thought was very interesting is that this is actually partially hollow. I thought that was very cool. What I did here was I analyzed the part to see how the forces would play around with this, and this is how it ended up. Looks very similar, but these pieces are staying. Obviously, this is very dramatic. So what I had to do was fit polynerbs to make the part more cohesive and easier to 3D print. And once that is done, so here we can see our part in our slicer. We can see that it is 44 grams, and our original part was actually 117 grams of material. So that's a 62% decrease, which is crazy. It blew me away. I thought it was really cool how much material you don't actually need. So I'm very happy with the results.
After printing one for each leg, you could see it attached and in action on my laser engraver. I want to thank Altair for the opportunity to use this software and all the help that they have provided through the Inspire videos. I have learned so much, and I recommend anyone else to learn Inspire because it truly is an amazing software. I hope to continue learning and refining my skills because I still have so much to learn, and as always, I hope to move only